Good, YouTube. I'm back with another video, and today was a quick update on my mud bill. Yes, you probably can tell already, but I changed the lift on my four-wheeler. See it? You see it? Yeah, I changed the lift on my four-wheeler. I changed the stickers and all that. You know what I'm saying? Family back there, but yeah, you guys see it. Super ATV 6-inch lift with phantom shocks. Yeah, phantom shocks. I had a 2-inch lift on that first, but I guess that wasn't big enough, so I got a 6-inch lift. Yeah, Rhino axles. Got some Rhino axles to go with it. And yeah, I changed the stickers on the side. Stickers on the side. Took the 850 stickers off. Red Mud Life sticker. You don't know who Mud Life is? Mud Life is a Facebook group, and it's the best mud ride group I've been in so far. Best mud ride group. Turbo ATVs, sticker on the side, 850 sticker. But yeah, guys, just want to update you guys on the bill. Still got a lot more to do to it. But yeah, this just a quick update. Got a lot of ground clearance. A lot of ground clearance.
I don't even want to play that. No, bro, rewind that, bro. That's wet.
Yeah, guys, just want to do a quick update on this bill. Still got the orange headlights. Ain't changed that yet. Yeah, the bill's still looking good. Still pulling strong. Don't mind the family in the background. They're playing football. Yeah. Just want to update you guys on the bill. Still pulling strong. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can find some mud for this big old beast soon. But yeah, you guys, just want to update you guys on the video. We'll update you guys on the bill, 6-inch bill. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.